Well, first of all, thanks to Said Putra for what a fight today. They came back the last minute, and yeah, congrats to the coach and the players, and thanks to my boys for winning a tough fight. We came to expect this kind of game, but yeah, thank God for the win. Oh, you can see the fitness level was quite tough. That was the toughest thing that we're facing from the past 2 weeks. We didn't prepare well because of we have a tough commitment in the school. We just finished the sports days on Saturday, and we have a chance to run the ball on Sunday, and then here we are play today.
Dendam lama. Aku memang tidur lah. Ini bawa betul 3 budak gemar.
Nasib baik aku tak ada.